Are you still holding to your idea of having free elections eventually?
Sandy, we are committed. We are totally committed to revive the democratic procedures in this country. And the first basic step is the elections. And it is my effort, my government's effort, my colleagues' efforts, and except for an odd party, totally we are all endeavoring to create an atmosphere where we could hold free and fair elections. Because the democratic process must have its evolution.
Would it be a long way away?
Oh, no. We don't intend to stay for years.
Months rather than years?
Yes, it certainly is months. And all I'm looking for is an environment in which to hold the elections, and more than that, to see that the results of the elections are positive. Because elections for the sake of elections is not the answer. Elections must bring out a positive result in the form of a somewhat stable political government.